group video lesson, and we will talk about inverse derivation. For our start this lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Krista Aldera from 9 Coms. Okay, so let's start. Inverse derivation is a relationship between two variables where when one increases, the other decreases, and the product remains constant. Equation y equal k to x or xy equal k. How it works: if x goes up and y goes down, if y goes up and x goes down, but the product x to y is always the same. Example, if y12 equal x, when x equal to y equal 6, x equal to y equal 4, x equal 6, y equal 4. Graph of inverse variation. Graph is a curve called a hyperbola. It never touches the x-axis or y-axis. It shows the exercise relation. The relationship of one variable shows the other shrinks. Real-life example. Speed and time. The faster you drive, the less you take to travel a fixed distance. Objectives: illustrate situation that involves inverse variation and translate into variation statement a relationship involving inverse variation between two quantities given by a table of values, a mathematical equation, a graph, and vice versa, and also solve the problem. Remember, inverse variation occurs whenever situation possesses pairs of numbers whose product is a constant. For quantities x and y, an increase in x causes a decrease in y, or vice versa. We can say that y varies inversely as x or y equal k to x. The statement y varies inversely to x. Translate y equal k to x, where k is the constant of variation. So let me give you some example. Example 1. Find the constant variation and write the equation representing the relationship between the quantities of the following. So given the tables of values, kukunin natin yung constant and then yung kukunin din natin yung equation. First, meron tayong dalawang variables, y and x. Y equal 2 and x equal 1. Yung y and x, ipagta-times lang natin siya. So, k equal x times y. Yung x natin, papalitan natin ng 1. At yung 2 natin, papalitan natin ng y. So, k equal 1 times 2 equal 2. So, our constant is 2. Pag minultiply natin ang 2 over 1 is 2 pa din. Pag sa 3 over 2, 3 naman ay 2 pa din. Kasi mahati yung 3. Kalahati ng 4 is 2. The constant is 2. So, let me give you another example. If your x is 2 and your y is 36 and x is 4 and y is 18 and x is 6 and y is 12 and x is 8 and y is 9. So, paano natin makukuha ang constant? So, same process lang din. Y equal k to x, we going to multiply the x and y. K equal x times y, our x is 2 and y is 36. Multiply lang natin. 2 times 36 is 72. So, our constant is k equals 72. Then, example number 4. Find the equation and solve the case. Y by root of x and y equal 6 when x equal 18. So again, ang hinahanap natin ay number. The number 4 is the equation and its constant. Kailangan muna natin isolve ang constant. So, y equal k to x. So, ang x natin is 18 and y natin ay 16. So, x times y ang gagawin natin, papalitan na natin ng given ang x and y. So, ang x natin is 18, ang y natin ay 6. So, 18 times 6 equal 108. Dahil nahanap yun ang constant natin. Dahil nahanap natin ang constant, babalik tayo sa y equal k to x. Papalitan natin ng k ng 108. So, the answer is y equal 108 equal k. So, ayun na yung constant.
Example of inverse violation. If y varies inversely as x and y equal 8 when x equals 6, find y and x equal 12. Then, y equal k over x. Then, si y, papalitan na natin siya si 8. Equal k over 6. Si x, papalitan na natin siya ng 6. Then, multiply x times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. K equal 48. Y equal 48 over 12. Si K, papalitan na natin siya ng 48 over 12. Then, divide 48, divide 12. 48 divide 12 equal 4. And final answer is Y equal 4.